Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to share Instagram Reels link on Facebook Story. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. First and foremost, ensure that your Instagram account is set to a personal account. If it's not, you won't be able to enable this feature. We have tutorials available for this if needed. Once you confirm your account settings, open your Instagram app. From there, navigate to your profile section at the bottom right, and go ahead and click on the three lines at the top right corner. Tap on the settings and privacy, and within this section, select profiles. Ensure that your Facebook and Instagram accounts are linked. Next, go to the Reels section. Choose one of your preferred Reels, and go ahead and tap on the send button located at the lower right corner. Now we have to copy the link, as it will be a clickable link. Tap on add to story, and in the story editing interface, click on the text icon at the top right. Hold and paste the copied link, tap on share, and wait for the upload to complete. Once done, click on the three dots and ensure it's set to everyone. Scroll down and confirm that the option to share your story to Facebook is enabled. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.